What's up everyone, Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com. We are back with a new video, and fresh off the heels of our new video that was just posted to this channel a few days ago about the upcoming potential GFX new body, the GFX 100S, we have a brand new lens that could potentially drop this month as well from a pretty amazing lens company that makes some pretty amazing lenses for other camera bodies and could be coming to the GFX body here in the next coming weeks. Let's talk about it. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and this type of content excites you and you want to learn more about photography, cinematography, gaming, geeking, and so forth, then this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon so you'll be notified each and every time we post content to the channel. So again, fresh off the heels of our latest video that we talked about with regards to the GFX body that could be coming from Fujifilm at the end of this first quarter, we have a brand new lens rumor that could be coming here by the end of this month. And that lens company is Irix. Now, we don't specifically have any lenses from Irix, however, I do have a photographer friend of mine that shoots exclusively with Irix film glass, and I'm going to go ahead and link his channel down below. He's the Panda photographer. So if you want to see his channel and all the amazing pictures that he has been taking with Irix lenses, definitely hit him up, tell him Pet Rock sent you, and drop a subscription to him as well. You won't be disappointed. Now this lens potentially coming from Irix is going to be a 1.4 f-stop, which is pretty incredible, and it's going to allow a lot of light in for you to take some pretty amazing shots, specifically when you require a lot more light to be pulled in, usually around nighttime photography. Now most likely it's going to be a manual focus from what the rumors have been saying, and again these rumors come from FujiRumors.com, and I'm going to leave a link down below to their website, and it is going to be a wide standard type of lens. Now another rumor coming down from this lens is that it plans on being weather sealed, which is pretty awesome, which again, if you're going to couple this with your GFX body and do nighttime photography for that potential time where it does be exposed to the elements, having it weather sealed is going to be pretty awesome. Now of course with Irix lenses you've come to know their durability and their very, very high quality of lens build, and this lens should be no other and should have those same features known from the Irix lineup. And from what we've been told also, the rumors are saying that this glass is going to be tack sharp, even wide open, which remains to be seen. However, that is going to be pretty awesome shooting at f1.4 and having total sharpness edge to edge. Who knows? But again, these are rumors currently right now as of the recording of this video. Now I know that's not a lot of rumors right now, but currently this is what we know as of the recording of this video. However, stay tuned to the channel. Be sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you'll be up to date with all the information that we're going to be getting, courtesy of Fuji Rumors and other websites, on the latest GFX 100S rumors, as well as lens that could be accompanying this particular body. I thank each and every one of you for stopping on by, and again, I'll catch all of you in the next video. Peace.